Hey folks, Time to Moto Man here, back in the garage. Today we're going to do several mods on the Aprilia Tuareg 660. This is the 2024 model. This is my buddy Daniel's. He brought some parts over and his bike. We're going to be doing foot pegs, and skid plate, and crash bars, hand guards. What else are we doing?
Pivot bolts.
Alright, let's get after it. So what did you go with for foot pegs?
These are Black Dog CycleWorks foot pegs.
They're really light.
Super light. And they come in the silver and this black anodized. They're supposed to be, I think the website says 70% larger than stock.
It's hard to get to. Need to make sure both of those prongs are straight. Can you squeeze those together?
There we go. They come with new springs, they come with new cotter pins, but we'll reuse the washer. So, spring. If you come on this side and try to drop this pin in, not quite. Yep. There.
Oh man, that's the wrong side. Oh, shit!
10-minute installation, my ass.
There we go.
So much more foot peg.
Yeah, that's the best type of shoe to ride with, for sure.
Super light.
Oh yeah, it is light. It's big.
Other than the good reviews I saw for the SW-MOTECH stuff, the other reason I went with it is because I know that the aftermarket headers that I eventually want to get fit with this stuff too. Yeah, these bumpers here, these four, you're going to reuse onto the new skid plate. Yeah, that's going to be it.
So we're going to hold on to both of these rear bolts because we're reusing them. So the curved side will go on the right side of the bike.
Yeah.
So we'll want to put some thread locker on both of these. Oh, you're tightening it.
Am I?
Oh shit. Because it's upside down.
Because it's upside down.
Confuses your brain.
Yeah.
Is there thread locker on that one?
Yeah. So 13.
There should be a spacer that goes in between here and here.
Yeah, but we're putting the crash bars on. Bolts and washers are not required when mounting the crash bar at the same time. Instead, use the spacer in the shown parts. So we need to get the crash bars out.
Had it on hand tight just to make sure everything fit, to see how it lined up. We can make sure that when we torque this down, this bracket is attached to the skid plate, so we know exactly where it is. Otherwise, if you torque it down and it's off, the hole's not going to line up.
Smaller spacer, larger spacer. Okay.
Neat. We'll be replacing these flimsy things with these HDB handguards.
I didn't see the handlebars move at all, right?
No, they didn't.
Did you figure it out?
I think so.
That looks like it's gonna work.
One thing I'm not sure of is I put those washers in between here and here because I don't know where else you'd put them.
Right. I mean, that seems right.
Yeah, put it together loosely and then we'll swivel them up and level them out.
Yeah, lower that side. Yeah. These bolts are pretty weak, and they're known to just snap off when you drop the bite. There are aftermarket options made out of titanium that are stronger.
So that's a weak little bitch.
This is a weak little bitch, and they snap off somewhere in here, so if they snap off, you're really screwed. And on the brake lever side, there's this little gasket you gotta take off and put on the new one.
What's the torque on this one?
18, like 18 and a half. .43 foot-pounds.